Whatever separates you from the truth, throw it away, it will vanish anyhow. Come, let us be friends for once. Let us make life easy on us. Let us be loved ones and lovers. The earth shall be left to no one. My heart is the throne of the beloved the heart's destiny. Whoever breaks another's heart will find no homecoming in this world or any other. I am the drop that contains the ocean. I tried to make sense of the 4 books, until love arrived, and it all became a single syllable. A heart makes a good home for the friend. To love the world is to be afflicted. If I told you about a land of love, would you swallow it as a remedy? Too many words are lit for a beast of burden. The earth shall be left to no one. Thought is an errand boy, fear a mine of worries.